Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my hair curly. So currently right now I have washed my hair and I did what I normally do, which is conditioner and oil, and I combed it out. So this is what it looks like. So this is what we want to start off with. So this, I use my normal conditioner and oil and I combed it out. So that's what we wanted to do. I wanted to record the full video, but my phone memory was full, so I had to start from. Hopefully each one of you knows how to detangle and put conditioner and oil in their hair. So yeah, even if you don't know, I'm going to leave the link down below because I have already done that so many times, so you can go check it out. What we're going to need is hair gel. So this jar of gel is actually it's not gonna be enough for my hair because my hair is quite big. So that's why I have the other.
This is quite old, so that's why I want to use this one. If it's not enough, I'm going to use this bad one.
This gel is called Soft and Free. You can use any gel you want, but this is the gel that I can afford. You can buy Eco Style gel or any gel that you want. This is what I'm gonna be using, and this is what it looks like, just normal gel. So we're going to start off.
Your best friend's house, and it's not hot that I can't even go out with my girlfriends without you tracking me down. You need to chill out with that mess, cause you can't keep having me stressed. Cause every time my phone rings, it seems to be you, and I'm praying that it is someone else.
I forgot to say this, but it's better to use gel when your hair is damp so that it can be easier to apply. It's better than using gel on dry hair.
To be through with you, so much. Now I get
define your curls with your fingers. So what you do is just let's say you take a part like this and you just twist it around like this. This is what it looks like after I have applied gel. Shake your head like you see your curls they're gonna look like this, or after that you can just take your fingers and like fix it. I have different hair textures throughout my head, so it's kind of hard sometimes to define the curls because obviously the curl patterns are different. The white residue is gonna go away once the gel starts to dry, and if you want to speed up the process, you can use a blow dryer to dry it faster. So just shake your head like
all of the gel, and there are some parts that the gel wasn't enough.
It's not dry yet. It's gonna take time to dry because I used a lot of gel. Some hair texture doesn't require much gel and some require much. So it depends on your hair type. This method which I showed you is define your curls that you already have. So everybody has different everybody has different curl patterns, so it's going to depend on your hair textures. You know, I have different hair textures, so it kind of looks like this. So it doesn't guarantee 100% that your hair is gonna look like this, because as I said before, we have different hair patterns. So for example, there are other methods that I do to get my hair curly. So if you guys are interested, just comment down below, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'm going to show you pictures on how it looks like.
I go